What day today? Oh, happy anniversary of what happened, Ginger? Of storming of when we fucking stormed the Capitol. Happy anniversary, everyone. Anyway, what's up with y'all? What's up?
Bro, bacon's been hitting different lately.
Like real bacon?
What the fuck does that mean?
That bacon has been hitting
What
different.
is fake bacon? What is fake bacon?
Turkey bacon.
Oh no, real bacon.
You mean real bacon? That's haram, bro. How big is your
That's
penis?
exactly what I want.
How big is your penis now?
I could show them.
Show them.
It's on. They're gonna see. It's gonna the tip is gonna touch my belly button, right?
Yo, your tip. No. Your tip doesn't touch your belly button. No, it doesn't. Yo, stop tweaking it, bro.